Hello everyone! Join me as I unbox this Japanese-style luggage USB charging suitcase. Removing it inside the box. It comes with a user manual. One of the product feature is the TSA lock that equipped with a flat resist TSA dial lock with a minimal protrusion on the outside of the case. This is a compartment for your power bank so you can charge your gadget, and this is the USB charging port. And I can say that this is a mama-friendly luggage because in this compartment, pwede mo siyang lagyan ng mga feeding bottle, diapers, and water, also milk, without opening the whole luggage. Another feature is the compartment. The left compartment, which is on the left side, is equipped with a zippered cover to keep your luggage spills, and the right compartment has 3 buckle straps in grid for garments secured in place. This is the first compartment, and this is the second compartment, and also comes with the free stickers. And for the handle, it has adjustable telescoping handle, allow you to maneuver in tight spaces and provide effortless movement with extra large reinforced aluminum alloy rod. The wheels are made with double wheels that are highly mobilized to support steady ride even on the rough surfaces. Lastly, this is made with a lightweight material. That's it for today, so thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!